Wow. Okay, those are some serious advancements. It sounds like this design sprint is about more than just learning technical skills. It's about expanding what you think is even possible.
100%. It's about showing orthodontists what they can do when you combine human expertise with AI's analytical power.
It's like they're saying, here's a sneak peek at the future, now go build it. But let's be real for a second. This technology, it's got to be super expensive, right? How can your average orthodontist actually afford to use these tools after the design sprint's over?
That's a great question, and it's something people worry about a lot. But Ortho.i thought of that. The design sprint isn't about pushing some expensive software on you. It's about giving you the knowledge you need to decide which AI tools fit your goals and your budget.
So it's about giving them the power to make good decisions for themselves, not just trying to sell them on the newest tech.
Exactly. And they even help you figure out how to integrate AI gradually.
Yeah,
You start small, find the things that'll actually make a difference without having to redo your whole practice.
makes sense. So finding a good balance between innovating and being practical.
Right. This isn't about turning every orthodontist into a data scientist overnight. It's about giving them the tools they need to make AI work for their practice and their patients. So it's not just about teaching orthodontists how to use AI. It's about preparing them to talk about it to their patients in a way that makes sense.
So it's about creating that sense of teamwork, that understanding between the orthodontist, the patient, and the technology.
Exactly. And that takes us back to Ortho.i's world of care, making sure AI is used ethically, responsibly, so everyone benefits.
And it's only going to have a bigger and bigger impact on healthcare. But for now, let's maybe switch gears a bit and look at one specific thing about the design sprint that really stuck with me.
Yeah, I'm curious. What got you thinking?
You know, it's funny, as we've been talking about Ortho.i and their whole approach with AI, I keep thinking about like the bigger picture. It
Yeah.
feels like we're watching a huge shift happen in healthcare.
It is. It's a total paradigm shift. And what I think is really interesting is how Ortho.i keeps emphasizing the human element
Yeah.
through this whole process, you know?
Yeah. It's not just about swapping out the old ways for algorithms. It's about giving orthodontists better information, better tools, so they can make even better decisions.
Exactly. It's like they're getting this superpowered assistant, one that can analyze mountains of data and give them insights that would take like years for a human to find.
And with that extra brain power, I'm just going to call it, that orthodontists can really focus on what they're best at, connecting with their patients, coming up with treatment plans that are actually personalized, and ultimately just creating those amazing smiles.
Right. And don't forget how this could change global access to care, which we talked about before. That's huge,
Yeah.
especially for those communities that haven't had good orthodontic care consistently available.